Hello everyone. This will be our 12th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I would like to dive deeper into the Multisite implementation of the multi-agent system with AI. How can we implement this solution in multiple locations and ensure that all sites work in a coordinated and consistent manner?
Multi-site implementation is essential when dealing with companies with presence in different locations, as it allows centralizing information and maintaining a unified management of assets. It also facilitates the standardization of processes, ensuring that all plants operate with the same quality and efficiency standards. The multi-agent system is designed with a modular architecture that facilitates integration across multiple sites, ensuring that each location is synchronized with the central network and operates seamlessly in a distributed environment.
What are the main challenges in implementing the system at various sites, and how does this solution address them?
One of the main challenges is data synchronization and consistency of information between different sites. Each plant or facility may have local systems, such as ERP, SCADA, or proprietary databases, which can generate inconsistencies if not properly managed. The multi-agent system is responsible for unifying and centralizing all this data, using standardized communication protocols and an integration infrastructure that connects each site to a centralized platform. This ensures that all plants have access to up-to-date and consistent data.
That sounds crucial. What specific strategies are used to ensure that information is shared correctly across all sites?
The system uses an integration layer based on APIs and event-driven messaging. Each site sends regularly updated or real-time data to the main data center, where the Orchestrator agent consolidates and distributes the relevant information to all modules. In addition, data replication and synchronization techniques are employed in the cloud to ensure that, even in the event of temporary disconnections, information is updated once the connection is re-established. This approach ensures smooth operation and prevents the loss of critical information.
I would imagine that this real-time synchronization is essential to maintain operational consistency and to make strategic decisions based on up-to-date data, right?
Exactly. Real-time updating makes it possible to detect incidents or variations in the performance of any site, which in turn enables an immediate and coordinated response. In addition, the multi-site architecture facilitates scalability, as new locations can be added without disrupting the overall operation. This allows for controlled expansion aligned with the company's growth objectives.
What about integration with existing local systems at each site? How is this compatibility managed?
The system is designed to be flexible and interoperable. Specific connectors can be developed for each type of local system, whether ERP, SCADA, or other, allowing the extraction, transformation, and loading, ETL, of data in the format used by the central platform. This ensures that local information is seamlessly integrated and can be analyzed in conjunction with information from other locations. Compatibility testing and customizations are also performed for each environment, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition.
This is very valuable, as we would not have to replace the current systems, but rather optimize them by integrating them into the new solution. What are the additional benefits of multi-site implementation?
By centralizing management across multiple sites, we obtain a global view of all operations. This enables detection of trends and anomalies at a global level. The performance and efficiency of each location can be compared, identifying best practices or areas for improvement. Resource optimization. Centralization facilitates resource redistribution or maintenance coordination, reducing downtime and operating costs. Improved strategic decision-making. With consolidated data, management has a more complete and accurate view to plan investments and operational adjustments. Increased information security. By using a centralized system, more robust cybersecurity measures can be implemented to protect information from all plants.
Perfect. Thank you for the explanation. I am convinced that this multi-site implementation strategy, starting with a pilot in one plant, will allow us to manage our operations in an integrated and coordinated manner, laying the groundwork for a successful expansion.
Once you have developed the structure, it will be much easier to add new plants that you may want to purchase to increase the number of your assets, ensuring an efficient and frictionless expansion in the integration of new assets or plants.
Precisely for this reason, the company has a strategy to grow with numerous assets, and this system would help us greatly for the organization and operation of the same. Could you provide me with the contact of someone to go concretizing the next steps for our company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.